Let's try this problem now. A rectangle is inscribed in the circle in the figure drawn above. The circle has a center at point O and has a radius of length 6. The area of triangle ABC is 8 root 13. What is the area of triangle ODC if the points B, D, and O lie on the same line? Okay, so I would anticipate this one's a bit more challenging for the average person. So I do encourage that you stay stuck with it and try to figure out um, how you can use all this information given to help get the answer and actually mark up the diagram. Okay, that's one hurdle that you need to overcome first. Even if this problem seems intimidating, start marking up the diagram and you might see something that you didn't think of because it's hard to mentally picture everything in your head. But once you start actually drawing things down, you might see something better. Okay. So let's start marking it. So radius is length 6. So O is the center. So here is 6. Here is 6. Here is 6. And they even said B, D, and O are all on the same line. So if we kind of imagine there, that is 6 as well. And we know this is a rectangle, ABCD. So this is a right angle over here. Okay. And right angle at angle A and D and C. Okay, but let's focus on ABC first. Triangle ABC. They tell us that the area of ABC is 8 root 13. So 18 root 3, sorry. 18 root 3 is half the base, which is AB, times the height, which is BC. Okay, we need to write that. And we want area of ODC, triangle ODC. So right here, that area, okay? So area that we want is half of the base is DC. And the height, we need this height. Let's call it H for now, okay? All right. Well, this is a rectangle. So we know that DC is congruent to AB. Okay, so we can write this as DC times BC, and let's multiply 2 on this side. So 36 root 3. Okay, so we can write DC as 36 root 3 over BC. Okay, now what about H? Well, notice H is the center of the rectangle, actually. Okay, so let's convince ourselves this is the length of H. This over here is the length of H as well. All the corresponding pieces are congruent. So BC is 2H, or H is half of BC. BC's cancel. Now look, we have 36 root 3 over 4, which is 9 root 3. The answer is B. Okay, so the points that I'm assuming most students will get stuck on is this, not actually plugging it in, and then definitely this H is half of BC. So that's why start marking up the diagram as much as possible, and you might see something that you didn't realize before.